All
right, Web Dev Final. Before updating the database, our web page looks like this with our no books because it needs to update. Afterwards, all the books fill in.
So here is the SQL we use. Below is listed some real books that we use to test it with. After creating the database, our site gets the books from the SQL. The site is updated to reflect what's shown, and the user is able to view the entries in the database.
This is the Node.js. We install that on our machines, and basically it just creates a server so you're able to run the application through the node and display the web page properly. And then it also interacts with the database and React for to be able to update based on what the database is.
Joseph, how you feel these two that mentioned the HTML?
So essentially, I made the HTML and CSS to kind of set up Logan to do the React. So basically, I just worked on the initial display and kind of look of the web page so that it's like nice looking and stuff.
Sweet. Yep. And then thanks to Joseph's hard work, I was able to hook into his HTML with React and add content to the page. I used had to use a bit of Node in order to had to work in tandem with Node, I mean, in order to grab the SQL, and I needed to use Babel, I believe it's pronounced, to compile the index.js file into a format that was usable by the browser while using Node because just doing it straight up with the file I created would not work with the implementation we were going for. And now, before we update the site with our database, it looks like this. Reload, nothing shows up. But when you reload the site with the database, everything pops in. See all of our books with their covers, if they have a cover. If there's not a cover, no image available is displayed. And yeah, special thanks to the Open Library Covers API for helping us get these. Anyone can think of anything else we need to really go over?
I'd say
No,
we're good.
I think we're good.
Yep.
Sweet.